So in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide columns and rows. So we will create a sub just call it hide column, and we'll start by showing you how to hide column A. So we'll go with range A dot entire column dot hidden equals true. And that should be all that's needed just to hide the entire column of A. So we'll run the sub and you can see that it's completely gone. If we want to bring it back, we set the value to false and it's come back. If we wanted to hide multiple columns, we can just change that to A and C, and that will hide 3 columns. So we'll set that to true so that they are hidden. Run our subroutine, and you can see over here that they are completely hidden. So we'll just bring them back now. Set it to false, and they're back on our screen. If we wanted to hide a particular row, well then we just do it in a similar fashion as columns. So we'll do range 1, 1, which is row 1, and we'll set it to entire row, hidden is true, and you can see that the row is now completely gone. You can change that to a 5, and you'll see that now columns 1 or rows 1 to 5 are gone. Also, what we can do is hide every single row on the sheet as well. So we just bring them back, and if we set rows, entire row that hidden is true, and you'll see here every single row is gone. So there's nothing on the sheet. The columns are still displayed, but there are no rows. So you can see here we'll actually just hide all of the columns as well. Just change that to entire columns. There you go. Nothing is on the spreadsheet. If we set this to false, we'll bring back the rows as well too. And that's our spreadsheet back. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. If you've found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more.